Okay guys, so I'm here with Nate again. One Taco Bell burrito, 20 McChickens from our food challenge. I think we have another one actually. So we're gonna unwrap each McChicken. Nate, would you like to help me in this process?
I would love to help you in that process. As a matter of fact.
Bang. Alright guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate them. We're gonna put buns on this side and chicken on that side. It's fake chicken.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
That's perfect for this scenario.
I can go on for days about holding buns in my hands. I see a chicken right there. I see a goddamn chicken right there. Oh wait, I think I see two goddamn chickens right there.
So we're opening all the Boom Boom sauces. We got our 20 pieces of chicken, 20 McChickens. Hear it out, 20 McChickens. Follow Nate. Nate is, no, what's your new channel?
No, it's not Nate. I mean, you can follow that one. That'd be helpful, you know. But my new channel is Nate Bravo space G.
Nate Bravo space G.
Yep.
I'll put the link in the description. Follow him, subscribe to him, everything. So we got our Boom Boom sauce. This is gonna be the last one here.
Oh, it splattered on me. Goddamn.
Okay, guys. We got our Boom Boom. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna rip up all the chicken and just throw it in. Little tiny pieces. Make sure it's tiny.
So we're gonna make two separate ones, or
Yep, two separate big balls of Boom Boom. Boom Boom McChicken.
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 That was kind of impressive, if you ask me.
It was?
Yeah, it was.
You want to try it? Alright, you're good then. You don't need to rip it down.
Look how many freaking chickens we have. Look at all these chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
Okay. So let's
All these chickens are so good. We got chickens. We're gonna sell chickens for $9.99. After that, y'all can eat the chickens for $9.99.
what we're gonna do, we're gonna open 2 more Boom Boom sauces. There's one, and here's number 2.
Let us tell you, it is also 1:08 in the morning. So, yeah.
And there's 2. So what you wanna do, we're gonna move these chickens because we gotta make another ball, and we're gonna.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that sound. It's like a turn on, you know? Oh, yes. Some more. How many of those are we gonna make?
We're gonna make.
I'm about to say we cut this motherfucker in half and, you know, add a little incorporation of a burrito. What are we gonna do with that after? Are we gonna stick it in the oven?
No, we're gonna eat it just like this.
I think we should, like, you know, put some breading on it.
We gotta just eat it like this. It's Boom Boom McChicken. Or make a big bun out of some buns there. No, that's not. That's not how you do it. Okay. Those are wasted buns.
No, I don't think so.
Just flatten a few buns out and we'll be good. Does this look appetizing?
It looks very appetizing.
Look at that.
Are you sure you don't want 3? Got 3?
Yeah, get 3. Listen to this.
Oh, you got it. That looks appetizing.
I know, right?
Show my viewers how appetizing that looks. I don't even want that near my face. Yo, looks like something out of a freaking, I don't even know, a horror movie.
You're gonna have to eat it too.
Oh yeah. You know what we should do?
Mmm.
Just fold these in
Okay.
on that.
It smells like absolute garbage.
Dude, look at that. Oh, you're trying to get that off my butt.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Garbage.
Look at that. Look at that. No, we should cut the burrito in half.
No, hold on.
And put it on top.
We got plate number 2. And we're making Boom Boom ball number 2. Boom Boom McChicken. This is gonna be lovely, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the biggest
I got it on my shirt.
We should become professional chefs.
There you go.
Look at this.
Can you put it in there? Okay, guys. These, these are about 5 pounds each.
You're bugging.
So, let's get into mine. Here goes nothing.
Big fork. Help. Up. You know, I should ask how nice it tastes, but I'm sure I'll find out in just a sec how that will encounter me, because I could tell this looks delicioso, but here we go.
You can get it.
Oh, bro, one melon.
You're gonna be a man. You got this. You still got the burrito to try.
Oh, hell no! I put it on rock over it, motherfucker.
Nope, you got this. You can also try the burrito. Look at. You got this. Just don't think about this.
It's kind of hard not to think about this pile of sitting in front of you.
You got it. Come on. Come on.
Ugh. Oh, that's so good. I almost just barfed.
Are you throwing in the towel, man? Or can you go for one more bite?
No, I'm throwing a white towel any day with that. I literally just almost barfed.
Okay.
Oh, man.
At this point, we're just done.
You know my spit's in there, right?
We're just done. Just take a minute and admire that.
I'm not admiring that at all.
Just admire it.
I think I may have did barf a little bit.
Admire it, man. Look at it.
I feel better.
Didn't that make your mood better?
It did. It did. Made me want to get up and just
Dance.
run outside.
Yeah.
You want to go run outside with me?
Yeah.
Let's go run outside.
All right, guys, that's it for the Boom Boom creations for tonight / this morning. Running down the street, like I said, and stay tuned for more Boom Boom sauce creations with yours truly, ZaCrazy. Boom Boom.